In this video, we are going to learn on how to remove the developers from the Xerox Link family 81 series. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the front cover. Next, we're going to go ahead and rotate this out, and we'll go ahead and remove it. Alright, so in here we have our developers, our drum units, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate with first. What we need to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the drum units. So once you have those tabs pulled right up, you'll just push up on the tab and pull right out. You'll go ahead and remove these drums, find a safe place for them, and we'll continue with the next phase. Now we're going to aim for whichever developer we are replacing. So this one's going to be the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. So in order to disconnect 1, 2, and 3, we'll have to remove this piece right here. There's one screw here. Once we remove this, this will expose the wiring for these 3. If you were going to be replacing the yellow one, we will have to be taking off this plastic piece right here in order to expose it. So now, whichever developer we are going to be taking off, there's one screw right underneath it. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. Once you take that screw off, we just want to make sure we disconnect the cable for it. So for instance, the magenta cable is right here. This one is connected to right here for the cyan. The black one is connected right in this area here. So then the yellow one will be the only one that's different, where it's in the corner there where it has this disconnection here. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to take each of the developers off. And that's how you remove all 4 developers on the unit. Of course, you don't have to remove all of them. You're just removing the one that you want to replace. But in this video demonstration, it will show on how to remove all 4. Alright, so in order to return our developer, we try to make sure we put it in the guide here, and you'll see that it'll follow through. You'll slide it in there, and then you'll feel, once it's in there, you'll see that it'll lock in with these 2 holes and match up. And then we'll just add our screw in like so. Alright, once we've installed it, now we'll go ahead and just make sure these are all connected, and this one in the corner there too. Then we'll go ahead and add our cover back on. So then we'll go ahead and just place this like so, and we'll add our one screw there. Then we'll add in our other cover here like so. You'll just make sure it goes through the hole in here, and it goes right in there, and then add your screw in there like so. Then we'll go ahead and re-add our drums in. Now that we got all the drums installed, we'll go ahead and install this. So this will just go right in like so. Then we'll go ahead and lock our switch. You can add your waste container. Toners don't need to come off. This is just my machine. And you should be good to go.